Is about how sadhus appear in the form of trees. As the glories of Vrindavan's trees, the Vriksha Mahima, so sadhus appear on the trees. The trees serve the divine couple. This is chapter 11:52. This is describing that. Ayon yascharya rupa pakatita sakale spardha yan yon yam ucher divya divya ananter lasarati madranalpa satkalpa vikshe lagnaishchanantu shaka sonaga manimaye payasur pushnoger gandha shrag vastra bhakshyadi bir anupataner nomi vrindavanam tam. All glories to the forest of Vrindavan, where many wonderful, unlimited, jewel-studded desire trees compete among each other to provide various ornaments, fragrances, garlands, garments, and foodstuffs to the divine couple. So here it must be what it says, and I wanted to see that the jewel-studded desire trees, Divya Divyananta Lasarati Madhuralapa Satkava Vikshe Lagnanishananta Saka Sanaga Manimaya Prayasur Bhushananga Gandha Shrag Vastra Bhakshadi Vir Anupataner Nomi Vrindavanandam. So they're competing with each other. Trees are competing, even the trees are competing. Find the gopis. One gopi makes a garland, the other gopi says, "Oh, you made this nice garland, I want to make one better than that." And everyone says, "Oh, this is a very beautiful garland she made." Or he, whatever. Usually gopis, manjaris. Sometimes Krishna makes also. Then the gopis see it, one gopi says, "Oh, it's a very beautiful garland. How did you make it? I want to make one better than this, for Radharani or for Krishna." So Prabhupada explains, although the whole platform is service and pleasure of Radha and Krishna, and there's no envy there, which we have a hard time understanding from our platform, from our Atmanam Manyate Jagat vision. We're envious, so we can't really see. What is it like to see without envy? What would it be like to see without envy? What would it be like to see without greed? What would it be like to see without lust? What would it be like to feel without feeling angry? This is a desirable state of consciousness. Of course, it's the liberated soul who has that vision. But we have to strive for that. So the competition there we hear about and read about in the spiritual world is envy-free. It's love-based competition. Oh, you love Radharani so much. You made such a beautiful garland. Oh, I have to increase my love, and maybe when my love increases, I can be inspired by that love to make it. That love itself will inspire me to make even a better garland. Because the garland is what? An expression of love. The garland is made of what? It's made of your love. Love flowers. The flowers of your love are expressing the colors of your heart and these designs of your mind to render various pleasing services. So then your heart takes the shape of the garland, and you offer that heart's garland to the Lord. And then Krishna, this is very beautiful. The other gopi says, "Oh, our heart's so beautiful. And the garland's so beautiful. I want to increase the beauty of my heart and the love of my heart." So it's competition. But it's not like, "Oh, you should die. You should die and not make those garlands anymore, so they'll only take my garlands." Because envy here is kind of fraught with the extinction bhav. You're so good, better you die, then I can shine forth and show how good I am. If you die, then I can shine forth. Whatever. But there, everyone is eternal life, and everyone lives eternally together, harmoniously. So we see, even here, it's amazing to see that the trees are competing with each other. For what? To give. Competition to give. It's a nice basis of competition. Usually we're competing to get. I'm competing with this guy to get a job, and he's competing with me. I'm trying to get the job so he doesn't get it. Competition to win, or we say competition to win. I'm competing to win, to get the victory. But here is, let's competing to give. They're competing to do what? To give things to Radha and Krishna. No one's getting anything. Whether you give the most or the other guy gives the most, everyone's giving, and everyone gets the same return. No one gets one. It's not win, place, and show. Not that one person comes in first, the other person comes in second, third. Win, place, and show, they say. Everybody wins. And the spiritual firmament is win-win. I win, you win, we all win. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful place. Say wonderful. It's a wonderful place. I mean, we talk about this concept. At least I never heard about it till the last 10 years or so. I guess it's some new twist in business dealings or so. Stephen Covey or somebody like that. 7 steps to success or 7 steps to rebirth or something. And then, but before, when I grew up, it was like win and lose. You win or you lose, bus. There's no in between. There's no question of dual winners, isn't it? How can you have 2 winners? You have a race that 2 guys win. How's that possible? Even in horse racing, they say won by a hair. You know, the one whisker of the horse was further forward than the other horse. Photo finish. They have terms like that. Photo finish, and they take photos and they say, "Oh, this guy's nose was 1/4 inch more than the other guy's nose." That's how they measure. So someone wins and someone loses. Someone gets a trophy and someone cries. But in the spiritual world, everyone gets the trophy. All are winners, none are losers. So all the trees are competing to what? To give. To give what? To give their ornaments, whatever they have, whatever they can produce and create. To give their fragrances, their garlands, their garments, their foodstuffs to the divine couple. There's a couple of rickshaw trees. We read in it's a very astounding description. I forget where it is, maybe going to Lilamrita or one pastime, I forget. That the gopis, when they bathed in Madhyan Lila at Radhakund, and they all took bath there, when they came out, they all expressed a desire to have new clothes, to wear new clothes. So then, what was happening at that particular time is watermelons were in season. So then inside the watermelon, Brinda Devi stuck a set of clothes for everybody. Inside the watermelon. There's some pastime. So then they opened the watermelon and found a set of clothes inside. It's like something extraordinary, like, hallucinogenic or something. Clothes inside the watermelon. So the trees itself, it says that they produce dresses and they produce ornaments. Okay, flowers and garlands and honey, beehives. Okay, that's standard fare. We see that and even in this world. Have you ever gone out to a sari tree, or a choli tree, or a chunari tree, or a oil tree? You go to a tree and there's little bottles of oil hanging on the branches. It says that fragrances, ornaments. You go to a tree, a gold bangle tree, and you shake the tree and all these gold bangles, like you shake a tree and fruits come up, and you gather up all the fruits and enjoy them. So a kankan pear, kankan briksha, you shake the tree and all these gold bangles fall up. So the trees are providing ornaments and fragrances and garlands and garments and foodstuffs to the divine young couple. So these are some wonderful services that the trees do. So what do we draw from this? Okay, the devotee, Jivera Surpaya Krishna Nityadas, the devotee is Satchidananda Rupam. And his body is transcendental. Diksha Kaliya Prakrita Deha. At the time of Diksha, one gets in a Prakrita Deha. Transcendental body. And there's 2 bodies existing. There's a transcendental body coexisting with the Prakrit Kalevaram, the material tabernacle. But it's there, it's already manifesting, just like the soul comes out of the womb, he has a body. and he'll be an adult male. It's already there, but now he has to grow. He's got it. He's just some little baby, and now he has to grow. So Diksha is like babyhood. It's like birth. It's called Dvija. So what's born in the heart is our Prakriti Deha, Diksha Kali Prakriti Deha. The spiritual body takes birth in the heart. Then it develops by sadhana bhajan, by meditation. And gradually the material body drops and that body manifests. Just like the caterpillar drops his body and becomes a butterfly. The tadpole gives up his body and becomes a frog. So the Nityabhata Jiva gives up his conditional body of ignorance and assumes his Nityasiddha Deha and goes off to the spiritual world in the Prakriti Dham. So the more that he touches that Dham, a Prakriti Dham, the sooner his body develops and manifests and expands with all the qualities and bhavas necessary to enter and serve in the Prakriti Dham. That is what bhajan is all about. Bhajan is about developing a Prakriti bhavas, transcendental emotions, transcendental feelings.